الحمد لله رب العالمين وأشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله صلى الله عليه وآله وسلم. What is our problem today? Why are we at the bottom of the food ladder? Why all nations look down upon us? We have no respect. Why all the nations look down upon Muslims and do not listen to them? We brought this upon ourselves when we made the Quran behind us and we took everything else other than the Quran. In the past, nations like Malaysia, Indonesia, the Philippines, and the likes, nations accepted Islam not by a single soldier coming to their land, not a single army. Why did these people accept Islam? Because of the Muslims' character. When they met and encountered real Muslims, merchants, traders who came and they saw their Islamic etiquettes and moral conduct, they loved this religion, they embraced it, and look at them. They are the largest nations nowadays. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. They saw truth, they saw honesty, they saw their commitment to their religion. What about today? Inna lillah wa inna ilayhi raji'un. Look at the character of Muslims today. Backbiting, slandering, gossiping, lies, cheating, betrayals. Rarely you will find someone among the Muslims who you could pin out and say, mashallah, he's honest, he's trustworthy, he doesn't lie, he comes on time. Rarely you will find this. And this is why the barakah, the blessings in our times, in our children, in our health, in our wealth is gone. You look at the previous nations before us, the previous ancestors of ours, they used to utilize the day and night where we cannot do what they used to do in one day in a whole month. The barakah in ilm, the barakah in Quran, the barakah in their lives. We don't have this. Today, we have transgression among us Muslims. This is something that Allah prohibited upon Himself, and He made it prohibited among us. Today we hear complaints from partners, from one another. We hear complaints from subordinates and workers. We hear complaints from wives, complaining of the transgression and the dhulm husbands do to them. On the contrary, we also hear about the lack of jealousy in men's hearts. You see a man, mashallah, la quwwata illa billah, 6'4", not in this country maybe, but you see man, mashallah, muscular and strong and this and that, and you see his wife unveiled with her hair coming out, wearing makeup, unmodest clothes. Akhi, where is your manhood? Where is your jealousy? Where is your ghayrah? They abide by the hijab only for the sake of customs and traditions and not for the sake of Allah Azza wa Jal. As for our hearts, it is black, it is hard. Our hearts are filled with enmity, grudges, envy, evil eye. Every bad thing is filling our hearts, and you see this in the masjid. When the iqamah comes, look at the worshippers in the first and second and third row. If anyone comes in an opening, what they will do? Resentment, hatred, fighting, trying not to give him room. Ya akhi, you're in the masjid. This is the house of Allah. Your heart should have a place for your brother, let alone a small space between you and him. All of this is a sign of destruction.